Are you looking for the best radar detectors? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best radar detectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Valentine 1V1 Gen 2 Radar Detector. A massive upgrade from the first Gen V1, the Gen 2 features a magnesium case and brand new guts adapted from military chirp radars. It's a far cry from the Gen 1. Both K and Ka band ranges have been improved, and the V1 Gen 2 features what Valentine calls K-verifier technology for better resistance, to more accurately filter signals from blind spot detection systems on other cars and automatic doors on storefronts. Built-in Bluetooth 5.0 enables a wireless connection to both Apple and Android smartphones and tablets, and the app is intuitive. I found the 2.1-mile rear detection range on the V1 Gen 2 far and away the best of the bunch. It was also the chattiest device of the group, pinging its alerts loudly and often. Number 2. Escort Redline 360C Laser Radar Detector and Escort M2 Smart Dashcam Bundle. Escort's complete driver alert system does far more than alert you to the presence of speed enforcement. This bundle offers the Redline 360C with a dashcam. In addition to 360-degree radar detection, the M2 dashcam, $200 purchased separately, continuously records video footage of your driving, serving as evidence in case of accidents or other incidents on the road. The Escort's performance was competitive with other top-of-the-line radar detectors. It stood out for its Waze-like navigation function, and the Escort community of users, via the amenable Drive Smarter app, is surprisingly vast and engaged. People who use the 360C love it. I particularly like that Escort offers trade-in value on old devices, price matching, and free shipping. It guarantees its products by paying for any traffic tickets you may receive while using its radar detectors. While this 2-in-1 bundle is surely a breakthrough in both radar detectors and dashcams, many of us already have one or both of these devices in our cars. Still, with this package, you can reduce windshield clutter and simplify your driving experience. Number 3. Uniden R8 Radar/Laser Detector. The R8 is Uniden's top-of-the-line radar detector. It can identify threats coming from all 4 directions thanks to its dual 360-degree antenna, and you get notified via voice alerts. Even the band, direction, and signal intensity for each are audibly announced. If voice alerts annoy you, it also features a large multicolor OLED display. It's preloaded with red light and speed camera locations, and firmware and data upgrades are free, so you always have the latest information at your device. Best of all, it's Spectra Elite undetectable, so police who scan traffic for cars with radar detectors won't locate it. I was impressed with the R8's performance. It's pricey but offers a massive 2-mile detection range, which was second only to the Valentine in our testing. Number 4. Escort Max 360C MKII Laser Radar Detector. The Escort Max 360C MKII comes loaded with the latest tech. It has 2 antennas for maximum range, directional arrows that help you quickly identify risk, and an auto-learn feature that remembers false alerts on your commonly used routes. The MKII improves upon the performance of the Redline 360C with 50% improved range, faster performance, and fewer audible false alarms. It also features Escort's intuitive app that makes it easy to adjust settings, and you can opt into Escort's Defender subscription plan, which allows you to use built-in Wi-Fi to download traffic detection database updates automatically. I haven't had the opportunity to use the MKII in real-world testing yet, but I look forward to what one of the leaders in radar detection devices has to offer with its latest product. Number 5. K40 Electronics Platinum 100 Radar Detector with Remote. Most radar detectors require you to reach the device mounted on your windshield to access features or adjust the volume. This Platinum 100 bundle from K40 solves that issue with a remote control. I'm a bit dubious, fishing around for a remote that's buried in your glove box or center console might lead to some distracted driving. You can purchase just the Platinum 100 without the remote for far less. Still, the LNA technology provides maximum range and sensitivity and enhanced filtering options. K40 also offers a user-friendly 12-month, ticket-free guarantee that will cover your court costs if you get a radar or laser speeding ticket within the first year of your purchase. There are some exceptions. It's not valid in school or construction zones, or in conjunction with a DWI, for example. But I love this feature for the confidence K40 has in its products.